12-in-1 functionality. Let the air fryer do the work for you with one-touch cooking functions such as toast, roast, bake, dehydrate, chicken, fish, bacon, steak, seafood, veggies, fries, and frozen. Explore more possibilities by customizing your own cooking functions with your preferred time and temperature. Dehydrate function. Create healthy dehydrated snacks such as beef jerky and dried fruit. Wide temperature range. Tackle any dish with air frying temperatures ranging from 190 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and dehydrating temperatures ranging from 100 degrees to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Max 450 improves the 30% heating rate. Healthier meals. Cooking with the air fryer allows you to make the same foods you normally enjoy deep fried but with 85% less oil. Meet your health goals without sacrificing your favorite foods. Large capacity. The air fryer oven can cook enough food for the whole family without taking up too much counter space. Including a 5 lb chicken. Smart control. Choose settings and monitor the cooking process remotely on your smartphone with the free VSync app. Enjoy hands-free cooking through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Over 100+ online recipes are updated constantly in VSync, so you can cook with no guesswork. Extra 6 accessories, 7 QT air frying basket, wire rack, crumb tray, broiler rack, crisper plate, and 2 dehydrating racks. Easy cleaning. The basket's non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe accessories make cleanup a breeze. Specifications. The air fryer oven can only be used with a voltage of AC 120 volts, 60 Hz in the US and Canada. ETL listed. Top reviews from the United States. Gets the job done. So, I must say this isn't the best looking air fryer out there. It's a bit big boxy, but if you can get past that then you will fall in love. I bought this for my husband's birthday as he's mentioned getting an air fryer for months now. We've had so much fun using this testing out different things. The kids make their toast in here. We've made pork chops, chicken, potatoes, all sorts of different foods. It also does an amazing job of tater tots. I just tossed them in to see how they turned out. They were cooked perfectly. I definitely recommend this air fryer. There are so many different things you can cook. It's so cool how you can hook it up to your phone so you know when it's done.